What's up, beautiful people? It's the hippie Krissy, and I'm back with another look. I know I've been gone for a minute, but here you go. Here you go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free 99. Hit that post notification just so that you know when your girl posts videos. And as y'all can see, your girl tried something new. I tried me some curls, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned for the video. And if you're new to the hippie gang, go ahead and smash that subscribe button just so that you're a part of the hippie gang. It's fun over here. It's positive vibes always. Okay, so stay tuned for the video. Seems like yesterday you came round my way. Vibrations intense, I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no game. So here I'm using my aloe vera gel that I make myself. Yes, me. I make it myself. Creative hippie. Hey. So yeah, I'm at the shop, and this was late at night when I recorded this. So it really was just me. Yes, I'm in a big old shop. Yup. So you see me here. I'm using this mousse. It's the Vagaro mousse. Like, if you got locks and you want some curls and you want it to last, go ahead and use some Vagaro mousse. And y'all see my friend, he just popped in with a little cameo. He's so silly. So yeah, I'm just using these rods, and I decided to use the jumbo rods, like jumbo medium size, to do this look here, because I mean, I didn't want my curls to be that tight, plus my locks is thick, so I couldn't use anything smaller anyway. And I was just going for a looser curl anyway, so that's what I went ahead and did. And y'all see me, okay? And y'all already know I'm a little perfectionist, so I be wanting my parts to look a certain way and whatever. But get into it, okay? Get into it and love what I'm doing. Okay, hippie gang? Okay, y'all. So halfway through, I ran out of mousse, so I had to start using the water bottle. And yeah, so now I'm doing the other side. I'm applying my gel and I am getting to it. I'm getting these parts together. Okay. And now, if you're not following me on the gram, go ahead and follow your girl on the gram. It's in the bio too. But go ahead and follow me at Creative Hippie. And everything in my bio is going to be there for you to follow me on all my pages. Even TikTok is Creative Hippie as well. Okay? Okay. So, you know what to do. Okay? So, I'm just rolling up the rest of the locks. And yeah, remember that I have 21 locks, guys. So it really didn't take that long for me to do this process, but the outcome was so freaking beautiful. Okay? That part. So this is almost the end of the video, and you just stay tuned for the final look, okay? Because this thing came out superb. You hear me? Okay. Like, stop playing with me. It ain't hippie shit for no reason, okay? But just keep in mind that if you want to be a part of the hippie gang, if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell just so that you know when your girl posts the videos. And always remember, stay positive. Keep positive vibrations always. And yes, y'all, it's late at night, so that's why I sound like this. But you already know what it's doing, what it's giving, okay? And until the next video, it's hippie shit all day, okay? Bye.
Hippie shit.
Mwah.